Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious and yummy macaroni. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comment, and please help me to share this video. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support your girl. Guys, without wasting further time, let's get down into the video. So yeah, my ingredients for this macaroni recipe, I'll be using this Crown Premium macaroni, this Crown Premium twist, okay? And then I'll be making use of fresh tomatoes. You can use the tomato paste, but I prefer this fresh one. And then minced ginger and garlic. I have my onions and my pepper. So in here I have pepper and chili pepper. And then we are going to start now to make our jollof base. And to that I'm going to be heating up my oil, and once the oil is hot I'm going to be sauteing my onions. I will go in immediately with my minced ginger and garlic. Then I will add in curry powder and oregano. The curry powder here is optional, okay? You can skip it if you don't want to use it. So here is the oregano. I will be going in with some oregano, and then I will add in my curry powder. Like I said, curry powder here is optional. You can just skip it if you don't want it, okay? I'm going to stir this, allow this to fry for some few minutes, okay, because the oil is already very hot. And now I'll be adding in my fresh tomatoes. I'll go in with my pepper and chili pepper. So if you are using tomato paste, you can add it at this point, okay? And just fry it together now. I'm going to stir this now, and I will allow this to fry, okay? So I'm doing this on medium to low heat. I'm going to fry this for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll add in my seasoning cube now. And then I will go in with my roasted meat and my grilled this roasted chicken and grilled beef. So I grilled this beef. I didn't fry it, but you can fry yours, okay? I'm going to stir this, allow this to fry for some more. Now that the sauce is ready, I'm going to take it down now and start boiling our pasta. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, okay? If you have not subscribed at this point, please subscribe. And if you have not liked this video up to now, this is the right time for you to like the video, okay? So here is the water. I'm just going to cover and allow this water to come to a boil, and once the water is boiled, I'll be adding in salt, and then I will stir and add in our macaroni. Please help me to share this video if you have not shared the video, okay? Help me to share the video. And if you want to go further to appreciate me, you can always use the thanks button, okay? So I'm just going to add this now. I will stir this, cover and allow this to cook. The instruction on the pack says cook for 8 to 9 minutes, but I cooked my own for about 12 minutes, okay? Because I don't want it like strong. I want it a little bit soft. 12 minutes later, our pasta is cooked now. I'm just going to drain out the water, okay, so that it doesn't soak water. And then I'm going to run cold water on it to stop the cooking process. And I will bring back our sauce. So now I'll be adding in my meat stock. So here is my beef stock. I'm just going to add it to loosen the sauce, okay? I'm going to stir and allow this to like fry or cook for few minutes, okay? So now I'll add in my macaroni. Guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Have you liked this video? Please help me to like this video if you have not liked this video, okay? And don't forget to share this video. Please share the video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you are enjoying this video. I'm just going to add in my macaroni now, and I will mix everything, okay, to combine it very well. I will allow this to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes so that the sauce can enter in the macaroni very well. And guys, this is what we have. Our delicious macaroni is ready. Guys, this came out so delicious. Like, it was so yummy. You're going to love this one. I want you to try it out, okay? Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your family, share this video to your friends, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.